English Norwegian. How much is, equals.
Hva koster?
Welcome. Hey you, ready to shop in Norwegian with a smile? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more tips, transcripts, and practice sets. Your goal today. Today you'll confidently ask prices in Norwegian, clear, polite, and quick. Your core phrase is, how much is, which in Norwegian is.
Hva koster?
You'll also hear the variant.
Hvor mye koster?
Both are great when you point to something in a shop. Mini dialogue at the market. Listen and imagine you're at a stall in Bergen. You, hi.
Hva koster denne?
How much is this? Seller.
Den koster 200 kroner.
It costs 200 kroner. You, nice, and the t-shirt.
Hva koster T-skjorten?
Seller.
Den er litt dyr, men du får rabatt I dag.
It's a bit expensive, but you get a discount today. You, great.
Hva koster billetten?
How much is the ticket? Seller.
Billetten koster 120 kroner.
You, at the cafe later.
Hva koster en kaffe?
How much is a coffee? Barista.
Den koster 35 kroner. Vil du ha kvittering?
It costs 35 kroner. Would you like a receipt? You, yes, a.
Kvittering.
Please, thank you. Word bank you'll love. Learn a few high-impact words to sound smart while shopping. Price equals.
Pris.
Expensive equals.
Dyr.
Cheap equals.
Billig.
Receipt equals.
Kvittering.
To pay equals.
Å betale.
Discount equals.
Rabatt.
How much equals.
Hvor mye?
Full phrase variant.
Hvor mye koster?
Example. Is it cheap or expensive? Den.
Billig.
Eller.
Dyr.
Question mark quote. Example. I need to pay and get a receipt. Jeg ma.
Å betale.
Og fa.
Kvittering.
Dot quote. Rhythm drill. Clap, smile, and speak. Your brain loves a beat. Beat it out. How much is, equals.
Hva koster?
Now the loop. HVA, clap, cause, clap, tear, clap, pause, say.
Hva koster?
Variant on the beat.
Hvor mye koster?
Point to an item near you and say.
Hva koster denne?
Culture tip. A tiny tip saves you confusion and kroner. In Norway you'll often see KR for kroner on price tags, just ask.
Hva koster?
To confirm, if you forget the base phrase, the variant.
Hvor mye koster?
Is equally natural. Want to be extra tidy for returns or expenses? Ask for a.
Kvittering.
And avoid the false friend.
Hvor koster?
You want.
Hva koster?
Lightning quiz. Quick checks keep your memory sharp. Answer out loud. Q. What do you say in Norwegian to ask for the price? A.
Hva koster?
Q. Translate. How much is the ticket? A.
Hva koster billetten?
Q. True or false?
Hva koster?
Means, where is? A. False. Q. Pick the variant. How much does cost? A.
Hvor mye koster?
Q. Completed. The price is high, it's underscore 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 underscore. A.
Dyr.
Opposite.
Billig.
Your speaking challenge. Time to role play. Do can do this. 1. At a souvenir shop. Point to a scarf and ask.
Hva koster denne?
2. Ask about a t-shirt next.
Hva koster T-skjorten?
If it's
Dyr.
ask for a.
Rabatt.
3. Cafe stop.
Hva koster en kaffe?
Then say you want to.
Å betale.
Buy card and get a.
Kvittering.
Bonus combo. Single versus plural.
Hva koster denne? Hva koster disse?
Wrap up. Nice work, you asked like a local. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Hva koster?
And.
Hvor mye koster?
Plus your word bank.
Pris, dyr, billig, kvittering, å betale, rabatt.
This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, printables, and fun challenges. See you next time.